the real way to create a week of social content in 1 hour. Let me ask you something. When's the last time you actually kept up with posting on social media for a full week? If you're like most small business owners, the answer is probably not recently. You know you should be posting. You just can't find the time. But here's what's changed. AI tools have made this genuinely faster. Not in a vague way. We're talking about planning, writing, and scheduling a full week of content in about an hour. Step 1. Plan 5 minutes. Before you open any app, grab a notepad and spend 5 minutes thinking about your week. What's actually happening in your business? A promotion, a slow season, a question customers keep asking? You need 1 or 2 real anchors, things that matter this week specifically. Here's why. AI can generate content endlessly, but it has no idea what's going on in your world. Write down your business type, who your customers are, what you want to focus on, and which platforms you use. That's your briefing. Something like, I run a house cleaning company in Phoenix. My customers are busy homeowners. This week I'm promoting a summer deep clean special and answering questions about what's included. That's all you need. Step 2. Generate content, 15 minutes. Open ChatGPT or Claude. Both have free tiers. Paste in your briefing and ask for a 5-post content plan, Monday through Friday. Ask for a ready-to-use caption, image description, and the goal of each post. Keep the tone friendly, not so easy. In 30 seconds, you've got a full week drafted. Some posts will be close to done. Others need a small tweak to sound like you. Budget a couple of minutes per post for light editing. One honest limitation, that first draft is often generic. If your business has personality, local humor, a specific vibe, the AI won't capture that on its own. It gives you a solid starting point. You add the flavor. Step 3. Create visuals, 15 minutes. For templates, use Canva. Pick a template, swap in your brand colors, drop in text, and you're done. For original images, Adobe Firefly or Microsoft Designer let you type a description and generate free images. Pick one, drop it into Canva with your logo, add your caption, about 4 minutes per image. Honest downside, AI-generated images can look off, strange hands, weird shadows. Always review before posting. For most service businesses, a clean Canva template with a stock photo is actually safer than an AI-generated image that might confuse people. Step 4. Create video scripts, 10 minutes. If you post Reels or TikToks, ask ChatGPT to turn one post into a 45-second script. Ask for a hook in the first 3 seconds, 3 quick points, and a call to action. You'll get a workable script in under a minute. Real caveat, AI-written scripts can sound stiff when you say them out loud. Do one read-through before recording and cut anything you'd never say in real life. Step 5. Schedule, 10 minutes. Use Buffer or Later. Upload images, paste captions, pick posting times, and the week goes out automatically. Free tiers work, but check limits on how many channels you can connect. The bottom line, 5 minutes planning, 15 generating, 15 on images, 10 on video scripts, 10 on scheduling. That's real. It doesn't require a marketing background. What it requires is that initial 5 minutes of actually thinking about what your business needs. Without that, you're just generating random content that looks busy. The AI handles volume. You bring direction. That's the trade that works.